right, end of day market overview, guys. We're gonna start off with the cryptocurrency market. We had a very good day, Knocked off the target with the Bitcoin. We got in an exclusive spot as price action began to turn around off 38,648. We got in, and boom, the same day, I think it was the next day, straight to the target, smashed it, and you can see what happened. Laser sharp precision, ladies and gentlemen. We're still interested when price action begins to cross over 49.84, 985. We might go back to this because we think it's coming up. We think it has the potential to close the monthly bar above 42,781, which means it may be on its way there. Litecoin also smashed the target. We got in yesterday as price action began to turn around. Placed our target at 110.79 for the doubling down trade, and hit that target. So made a very nice profit on that trade, on that doubling down trade. For the original trade, well, price action got back right at that level, that entry level, so we decided to close it out with no loss or no profit on the original trade, right? The highest one we had. We did that because, as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 moves, 4 legs in this trading range, and there's a very good chance we'll have the 5th back down, so we don't want to mess with that right now. On the flip side, if it will continue pushing forward and begin to break 113.81, that's a different story. There's a very good chance we'll jump right back into it, chasing 132.51, which is our long-term target. So we got right now these two are out. We still have the Ripple. Actually, we doubled down. Right now we're running $40,000 position on this one. Beautiful turnaround off that 75.53 yesterday. Beautiful spike. It's just a strong indication that the Ripple did find some solid support, some solid ground to push itself against, to push itself off of. So I think it's starting to build up that upside move that it started about a week ago or 10 days ago or whatever it was. All right, guys. So we're on the Ripple big time, 40K, and then we have the Monero with 5K, as I've talked about that in one of the videos today. So yeah, 2 positions right now, cryptocurrency market. Let's talk about, let's move to the Forex market. So here I think it's going to be even shorter as far as the coverage, because dollar Canadian you already know all about. Silver, you also know about this one. We talked about that. As it's going to start breaking forward 25.79 and 25.97, we're going to start with our thing here, with our bullish campaign. So we did. It did pull back a little bit, but this is just the beginning. It's a very good sign that it closed the daily bar yesterday above 25.79. Very good sign. Now, we need to pass the second test, right? Past the first test, now we need to pass the second test. 25.98 price action is coming for you. Once it begins to cross over, we're going to increase the position size to 10K and then try to run with those 10K all the way up to 27.91. It's going to be super exciting here. Yeah, so we got the dollar Canadian, we got the silver, and then Euro Swiss francs moving nice and slow, very slow, moving upwards. We doubled down here as well, actually doubled up, so 25K on this one. Canadian Swiss franc closed it out with a small profit. It's on its way to the target, but we feel a little bit insecure about the whole situation over there. It's kind of trading way too high. It's the shakiest part of that move. We've been riding the Canadian Swiss franc for a long time now, and we were very successful with it. But I feel now the risk kind of outweighs the reward, and we already had some profit on it, so it was perfect timing to close it out. And in exchange, right, invest more in the dollar Canadian. because this sits in a very good positioning right now from a technical standpoint. So that's what we did. We kind of closed out 15. We had 25k on the Canadian Swiss franc, closed them out, and in exchange, we threw in another 25k on the Dow Canadian, pretty much. All right, that's pretty much it. On the background, we got the Dow Canadian accelerating this negative momentum. Let's hope it's going to keep it that way. Guys, enjoy the rest of your day. We're going to be back tomorrow. So till then, be well.